Welcome to Matidor. Let's quickly walk through how you can add and manage costs to keep your project budgets on track. Start by opening a project and head to the Budget tab. Click the plus button located next to the budget you want to update to record a new spending. Next, select the appropriate cost code that matches the type of spend, then choose the vendor from your list. Fill in the cost amount along with any other relevant information, like dates or notes. When done, just click Save to add it to your budget. If you don't see the cost code or vendor you need, you can add them anytime in your Workspace settings under Cost Codes and Vendors. And here's the best part. If you've integrated Matidor with your accounting software, your budgets and costs will sync automatically, keeping everything up to date in real time. You can also export your cost data for reporting or sharing with stakeholders. With Matidor, managing costs is simple and collaborative, so everyone stays informed and aligned. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.